All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at simplifying some roots. So this is the same thing as the square root of 81 over the square root of 5, which is 9 over the square root of 5, and then we'll rationalize the denominator. And so we get 9 root 5 over 5. When we simplify roots, we need the number underneath the root to be the same. So I'm going to pull out perfect squares. So I have 14 root 6 minus 6 times 2, because that's the square root of 4, and root 6. So I have 14 root 6 minus 12 root 6. So I get, 2 root 6. Okay. Question 5, I'm going to rationalize the denominator. The way I do this when I have an addition sign between here is I create a difference of squares. So I multiply the top and bottom by 1 minus the square root of 3. So I get 5, 1 minus root 3. To create the bottom, you can do the little box thing. But again, I keep telling you guys that I want you guys to do everything faster. What I just said was the difference of squares. What is the difference of squares simplified to is the first term squared minus the second term squared. So then I get 5, 1 minus root 3, and then I get 1 minus root 3 squared, which is 3. So then I get 5 times 1 minus root 3 over negative 2. Okay, and you could have done the box. You would have gotten the same answer. But again, I'm trying to show you guys that when I'm trying to create a difference of squares, that, an x squared minus y squared is x plus y, x minus y. So if I had an x plus y and an x minus y, it goes back to a difference of squares like that. So I can go backwards. Okay. Here with the fourth root, in order to get rid of the fourth root out of the denominator, I have 1 3 there. I need 3 more 3s. To get rid of that 3 in the bottom. So what I end up with is 15. Oops. I did not write that correctly. I apologize. What you do at the bottom is do the top. So I should have multiplied this by the fourth root of 3 cubed. Okay. So what does that do for me? That does 15, fourth root of 125, fourth root of 3 cubed, all divided by the fourth root of 3 to the fourth. The root and the exponent are the same, so this becomes 15. Fourth root of 125, fourth root of 3 cubed, all over 3. So now my 3 and my 15 reduce, so I get 5. Fourth root of 125 times the fourth root of 3 cubed. And I'm okay with you guys leaving it like that. You could have done 125 times 27 to simplify it, but mainly what I wanted you guys to get out of it is this whole idea of what root do I multiply by to get that root out of the denominator. Okay. Question 9 here. I'm going to multiply by 1 plus square root of 3x. Again, I've created myself a difference of squares. So then I end up with a 1 squared minus a root 3x squared. So then I get a root 8, 1 plus root 3x over 1 minus 3x. Okay? Yeah, that's right. Okay, and that is it for this section.